Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a trick for to fit some head screw that are too big for the application you want. So I bought this. It's for a horn for my steering for my simulator, and that's the bolt that came with it. But they are not long enough for my project because I have the hub, the steering, and I need to screw and not do it. So I bought this on Amazon, and I saw on AliExpress too, but was too long for the shipping. But well, those are the head are rough 10 millimeters, and the other one it's 9.5. But when when you see on the page, it's have how you call this, error range. So long story short, those are, I check for the length I need, and I need 25 millimeters. So I tried to put them, but as you can see, it's too big, so it don't goes in the hole like the one. So the trick that I want to show you, you take the screw and you put it in a drill, test it to turn straight, and you take a file, or you can take probably some rough sandpaper, but it's gonna screw it pretty quick. So alignment's the best. So you just put your bolt like this, but don't forget, if you stay straight, it's gonna it's gonna be the edge gonna be straight and maybe like a little cut and not gonna be clean like this for a button one, I mean, at least. So when you turn, just make a little movement like this, so you're not gonna have a cutting edge and it's gonna stay like original shape. So just like this. Let's see. Let's make some little scratch, but you can't notice it. Maybe if you are a perfectionist, but well, you can take like a wool, steel wool, and it's like new. And another trick, don't put your drill right at the beginning and to damage the entry edge. So just put it a little further. This. So we're gonna test it. Yeah, now you can see. Let's go like I want. Because I was about to order different one, but they probably came from the same place. And yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can leave a comment if you want. So yeah, have a nice one, guys. Peace.